Welcome to version 5 for this project, where we are going to add other features into it. For example, following and unfollowing. This means that this is a continuation of the previous ones. The first feature is going to be followers and following. Before we get into code, let's see the flow for the following and followers. Let's take it that these two users, Alice and Thomas, they want to follow each other. And this is an array of followers for Alice and following. Likewise, Thomas, followers and following. So, what is followers and following? In terms of social media, when we say followers, followers are the users who follow a particular user, and following are the users that a user follows. So in this context, these are the arrays of followers and following. Likewise, this followers and following. At the moment, each of these arrays are empty. So let's say that Alice wants to follow Thomas. Let's look at the flow. Here, Alice will click on the button to follow Thomas. At this point, two things are going to happen. First, Thomas will be placed in the arrays of Alice following. At the same time, Alice will be placed in the array of Thomas followers. So here, two things are happening. So let's see the flow one more time. Let's say that we have the UI and we have Alice and Thomas. Let's say that this is a button to click to follow Thomas. So here, upon clicking, two things are going to happen. First, the ID of Thomas will be placed in the following array of Alice. At the same time, Alice will be placed in the followers of Thomas. That is the flow. Now, let's say that Thomas wants to follow Alice. It's going to be the same process. So here, the ID or the user of Alice will be placed in the following of Thomas. At the same time, Thomas will be placed in the followers of Alice. That is the flow. Now, let's say that for some reasons, they want to depart. And that is, they want to unfollow each other. And this is the most sad part of it. So it means that they want to break up the bondage. So here, let's say that Alice wants to unfollow Thomas. Over here, Alice will click on a button to unfollow Thomas. So let's see what is going to happen. Over here, Thomas will be removed from the following of Alice. At the same time, Alice will be removed from the followers of Thomas. And we are going to transform this one to code.